Welcome to my new Guitar Nerdery video. One more time, the Meola strumming technique. I've already made a couple of videos about the topic, and in the first one I showed you his way of holding and moving his right hand, which is the basic foundation of his strumming technique. Today I want to go back to the intro of the first Meola video. I improvised and tried to play in the style of Meola. Learning that intro is maybe a good startup for you to get your own ideas. So today I'm going to show you more in detail what I have played there. First, of course, I had to relearn the whole intro by myself because it was improvised, and I split it in a few parts and show you the rhythm and the chords slow and fast. The basic key is A flat minor, but it changes between Dorian and Aeolian mode, and it's also somewhat bluesy. The whole thing starts with an E flat 7 sharp 9, the Jimi Hendrix chord. And I raise it also a half note up to the E. And the groove goes like this. The first two bars are alternate strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4. While the whole piece is actually basically a 16th groove, in bar 3 I'm gonna change to 8th triplets. There's also a rest on the 1. And I play everything with downstrokes to get it more pronounced. But bar 3 is not only 8th triplets. It's somewhat difficult to explain. I just try to play it very slow and for you to get it by ear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 4 is really Meola stylish with some 30-second notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fast it was. All 4 bars of the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the main groove starts, and first I'm going to show you the chords. The chord progression of the main part is this: A flat minor 7, D flat 7 9, G flat 7 13 sus 4, G flat 7 13, and back to the A flat minor 7, and the next round A flat minor 7, D flat 7 9, G flat 7 13 sus 4, G full diminished, A flat minor 7. And the groove is simply alternate strumming. It's some 30 seconds in here, and the whole thing repeated. And now the whole thing a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 2 bars is a kind of a break or a bridge. The groove is exactly the same as in bar 4 of the intro. That and we do not play chords, only octaves, and move them up chromatically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're already getting to the climax of the piece, which is similar to the intro, the same chords and nearly the same groove. Just like that, only 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ending with the A flat minor 7. And again the same groove as in bar 3 of the intro or as in the break. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play again the whole piece. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I thought this would be a great exercise too. I hope I played everything slow enough for you to get all the details. This was it for today. I wish you a fine week, happy practicing, and I'm looking forward to see you next week.